How to make new emoji on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to make new emoji on iPhone. For this video, we're going to be using a third-party application because emojis are standardized Unicode characters, and typically, new emojis are introduced with updates to the Unicode standard. So what we're going to do is go to our App Store and look for the best third-party emoji maker app there is. And upon researching, I think the Emoji Maker app, which is the first one you can see on the results on my screen, is the best one. So make sure you look up Emoji Maker and download this app. Once downloaded, just open it. And before you can actually start designing, you should see this page. It's basically just all about the features that this app offers and the fact that it is not entirely for free because you have to pay $6.99 per week on this one. But there's a free trial period which you can take advantage of. So you can still just subscribe and then unsubscribe later on to create your emojis. And just tap on start in order for you to reach this page. And on this page, all you have to do is tap on new to start designing. So lots of options here actually. If you swipe to the left, you can see that there are a lot of features you can add. But let's start with the face or the shape. And I think I'll just use this regular one here. And for the eyes, lots of options. So try to find the best one for you. Maybe this one. And then for the mouth, lots of options also. So really just look for what you really like. And then you can even add some hand gestures here, like a hi maybe. And it's important to note that all these things you're adding, you can actually adjust them. So if you want to make them smaller, just zoom out and then, or like pinch your screen to zoom it out, or you can just zoom it in to make it bigger. But if you like, you can also just tap on this icon at the right top corner of the page. And this is how you can adjust the animated hands or whatever it is you want to adjust. But I'm going to cancel that because I'm happy with the size of it. And lots of things you can add. You can even add some sunglasses or a hat here. It's really up to you. But once you are happy with the design, which I am, you can either just save it or send it directly. But I'm gonna have to, I like to save it first so I can use it again in the future. And then I'll just tap on send. So you should see this, but just tap on the screen to skip that and you should see this. So just tap on messages in order to send it. So I'm gonna try to send it to my other stuff here and just tap on send like you're sending a text message. And when we go to my text messages here, that I have successfully sent the new emoji that I have designed. So it's really that simple. But let's try to go back to the app. And from here, you can tap on this three-line icon on the left top corner of the page and just exit or start over if you want to make another design. But I'm going to exit because I want to show you the emojis I have designed and saved. So you can find them here. And let's say you want to use this one, just tap on it and then you can share it again or edit it if you want. But to share it, just tap on the share icon and then send it to the person you'd like to send it to. There you go. So I'm gonna go back to my messages and you should see it here. That's how easy it is to make your new emojis on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.